My name is Brianna Hinkson. I am a pipe fitter with Local 533, and for Waldinger, I am a refrigeration technician. I have been with Waldinger for 6.5, almost 7 years. My favorite aspect is the day-to-day. You never know what you're going to do the same day. There's always something different, and being able to just fix people's problems. Honestly, my favorite project was one when I first started. We were putting up battens in a cooler, and it was just the working with a group of people and the camaraderie that we had there. I am a mom of 4. I have an almost 18-year-old, an almost 16-year-old, a 10-year-old, and a 5-year-old little boy. Don't be afraid to get out there and get dirty. Construction is not a man's field anymore. We are all here. Most of the brotherhoods that are out there, they're now calling themselves brother and sisterhoods, and they are all for us being in the trades.